Hello Internet! In this video I'm going to be unboxing characters from Funko Pop's line of DC Bombshells. These 5 over here are from the second release of the series, and these 2, Batgirl and Wonder Woman, from the first release. Right off the top, here's what the back of the box looks like. Now, it isn't unusual for a Funko Pop figure to have what looks like the character in an illustration on the back, but what I do like about these is they have a nice caricature illustration up top. Is it unusual? Of course not, but the ones on these Pop figures I do happen to like. Well, enough of that for now. Let's get unboxing. Okay, so we have them all out of the box right now. Now on the second generation set, you can see they all have stands. And there seems to be quite a bit of overlap in the designs. They all seem to have nearly identical L-shaped foot patterns. Now, is there anything wrong with that? Of course not. But there must have been something that happened, because these Generation 1 figures all seem to have a thicker build. Is there anything wrong with that? Of course not. But something was going on where Wonder Woman doesn't even have her own stand. Doesn't even have the holes in the foot for a stand. All in all though, this is a slick set. They are the vinyl figures, not bobbleheads. But let's start talking about them. First of all, the Supergirl DC Bombshell figure. All in all, a pretty slick design. Not really much of a cape, but went with a scarf. Boots, white socks, yellow hair. All in all, a good figure to add to any collection if you're into Supergirl or Marvel heroines. Here we have Batwoman. Scarlet red hair, black mini skirt, red socks, black shoes. Here we have Catwoman, one of the most iconic figures from the DC universe. She has her nice little cat of nine tails whip, a purple headband, white earrings, gray socks, black high-heeled shoes. Clearly, Funko did not design these to come out of the box, as I've noticed with many figures, as you might have noticed as well. Anyone that comes with a stand, it's really hit or miss. Now here we have Poison Ivy. As you'd expect, she's green, wearing kind of a bikini or tankini design. Even though wearing essentially swimwear, they did put her in stockings with high-heeled shoes. For a woman that is all about plants, they did put a butterfly on her. I would have preferred another design with some sort of plant around her, but I guess plants attract butterflies. Here we have Hawkgirl. This is one of the designs I'm really quite fond of. Instead of opting out of the wing design that Hawkgirl is classically known for, they put a jetpack on her. Wearing somewhat of a navy camo army fatigue type design, green pants, brown tan boots, and of course plenty of cleavage to go for days. Because when you want a figure on your desk at work, you want things popping out. Now shifting over to the Generation 1 figures, Now also in this set is a Joker with kisses on him, Katana, and Harley Quinn. Don't hold your breath if you're checking to see out what those figures are on my channel. These are not figures that really interest me. But either way, here is Batgirl. Kind of a classical Batgirl design. Purple pants, purple mask. Nice brown backpack. You might not be able to see it too clearly with her hair, but here we go. Of course, yellow insides. Great homage to the original Batman. And of course, how effective is a helmet if your hair can't pop through? And of course, the heroine herself, the DC Bombshell version of Wonder Woman, kind of taking on a Rosie the Riveter look, keeping with Wonder Woman's red, white, and blue attire. Of course, in this case, the white is pretty much just the stars on her pants. All in all, though, a pretty slick design. Not really my place to say, but I guess as a fat guy I can. Kind of thicken the thighs, like myself, so of course I gravitate towards Wonder Woman. So all in all, that is the DC Bombshells collection. Or at least 7 of the 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please check back later for other unboxing videos of Pop vinyl figures and Pop bobbleheads. Take care. Bye.